Hey everybody, I have got some 5 off 20 all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil scenarios for you. So if you are interested in how we can get a cart full of laundry items for just $8.95, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Click that bell, set it to all notifications so you don't miss a single upload. Alright y'all, so you're going to need to clip this 5 off of 20 digital coupon in your Dollar General app. This is the one we're going to use to get that 5 off. So make sure you got it clipped. Here is scenario 1. For this one, you're going to need to clip the $2 cash back on Persil laundry detergent. There is a limit of 1. We're going to buy one of the Persils at $5.50. Next, you're going to want to make sure you have your $1 cash back on Snuggle 120 count dryer sheets clipped. We're going to pick up one of the dryer sheets at $3.75. You're looking for the 120 count again. Next, we're going to clip the $1 cash back offer on Purex 43.5 or 50 ounce detergent. There's a limit of 2, so pick up 2 of these at $7.50. Next, you're going to want to clip the $1 cash back on all free and clear liquid laundry detergent. There's a limit of 1, so pick up one of these at $5. Alright y'all, here's the breakdown. 1 Persil 40 ounce detergent at $5.50, 1 Snuggle 120 count dryer sheets at $3.75, 2 Purex 43.5 ounce detergent at $7.50. Then we're going to grab 1 all free and clear at $5. Our subtotal is $21.75. We are going to get that $5 off for that coupon, and we will pay $16.75, but we are earning $6 cash back, making our new total more like $10.75. That gives us 4 items for $2.68 each. Might be a little more depending on how much your tax rate is. Scenario 2. Clip this $3.50 cash back on all free and clear liquid laundry detergent. There is a limit of 1 on this. Go ahead and pick up one of the all free and clear 88 ounces for $12. Clip the $1.25 cash back on Dial Men's Body Wash. This is attaching to the 32 ounce pump bottles. Then you're going to go ahead and pick up one of those for $8 and put it in your cart. So here's the breakdown for this one. We're buying 1 all free and clear 88 ounce detergent for $12 and 1 Dial Men's Body Wash for $8. Subtotal is $20. We have $5 coming off for that digital coupon. We will pay $15 and earn $4.75 cash back. That means our new out-of-pocket is around $10.25. That's 2 items for $5.12 each. Scenario 3. Clip this $1 cash back on Purex laundry detergent packs. There is a limit of 2. We're going to pick up 2 of the 21 count packs for $7.50. Next, we're going to clip the 75 cents cash back on Purex crystals, and there is a limit of 1. So pick up one of these at $4.35. We've got a $1.25 cash back on Dial Body Wash. This is a limit of 1. We're going to pick up the Dial Refresh and Renew Spring Water Body Wash. This is $7.95. And I needed just a little bit to get me to $20, so pick up one of the Dial Coconut Water and Mango hand soaps for $1.50. But make sure you scan if you don't get that sent, because not all of them are attaching to that 5 off 20. Alright guys, here's the breakdown. We are going to buy 2 Purex packs for $7.50, 1 Purex crystals for $4.35, 1 Dial Body Wash 32 ounces for $7.95, and 1 Dial 7.5 ounce hand soap. Make sure you scan because not all attach, and those are $1.50. Subtotal is $21.30. We're going to get $5 off for that digital coupon. We will pay $16.30 and earn $4 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $12.30. So that's 5 items for $2.46 each. Scenario 4, and the best scenario, in my opinion. For this one, I'm going to use this $1.25 off digital coupon, and I'm going to pick up the Purex at $3.75. I'm going to grab the liquid one. Next, clip the $1 cashback on Snuggle Super Fresh dryer sheets. There's a limit of 1. Pick up one of these. They are 105 count for $3.75. Next, make sure you have the $2 cash back on Snuggle Super Fresh crystals clipped. We're going to pick up one of the green Snuggle crystals for $3.75. Then we're going to clip this $3 cash back on Persil laundry detergent. Now this is on the larger bottles. Pick up one of these. These ones are $9.95. Alright y'all, here's the breakdown. 1 Purex detergent at $3.75. 1 Snuggle Plus dryer sheets at $3.75, 1 Snuggle Crystals at $3.75, and 1 Persil 75-ounce detergent at $9.95. Our subtotal is $21.20. $5 is going to come off because of the digital coupon, and then the $1.25 digital coupon comes off. We will pay $14.95 plus tax, but we're going to earn back $6 in cash, so we will end up paying $8.95 for 4 items. That's getting 4 items for less than the price of 1 bottle of Persil. That's pretty awesome. So we're getting 4 items for around $2.23 each. Also, guys, just wanted to remind you that today is the last day of the home sale event where we can get the Toss pillows at buy one, get one half off. It'll also be the last day for the buy one, get one free hanging throws. And the last day for buy one, get one free on the bedding. This is on our Queen and King sheets, comforters, comforter sets, quilts, and bedding sets. Alrighty, y'all, that is it for this video. I sure hope that you found this helpful in some way. And I will be back tomorrow with your early ad preview. And I need to do some 5 off 25 Saturday scenarios as well. So, thank y'all so very much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you have a beautiful day. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.